Did you know you can access JinbuPal on your phone's home screen just like any other app? This is really quick and simple to set up and can be done easily on both iPhone and Android. I'll show you how it's done on iPhone, but please know that the setup process is essentially the same on Android devices. First, open your Safari browser and visit app.jinbupal.com. Once there, log in with your JinbuPal account. If you haven't set up an account yet, tap Create One here to get started. After you've logged in, tap the share icon and find Add to Home Screen. It's really important for you to log in before doing this so that the shortcut defaults to the app's home screen and not the login screen. That's it. You can now quickly access JinbuPal from your home screen for daily study. If you need more information for Android setup, click the link in the video description below for a PDF showing the process step by step. Congratulations on taking your first steps towards Chinese proficiency with JinbuPal.